Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about creating features in ArcGIS Pro. So these features could include point features, line features, or polygon features. Now if I want to draw any one of those three types of features, they have to be associated and stored within a feature class. So I'm going to go into my database section, expand out my database. It looks like I have one feature class already created. This is a point feature class. I can tell that by the little point symbol there. I'm going to drag this symbol into my map. Take a look at my existing points. So I could add some new points, draw some new points and have it associated with this feature class. If I would like to add some new points to this feature class, I'm going to select the feature class in my contents pane, go to the edit button on my ribbon, and I've got a feature section here. I'm going to click the create button. That create button will then ask me which feature class I would like to draw to, and I'm going to pick the traffic signals points. And I've got some different options here for points, different types of points where I can snap to other objects or just create points on their own. So I'm going to select plain point, and I'm just going to go ahead and place some points, some new points in which I would like to place. Also keep in mind that you've got some snapping options here, so you can change some of these snapping options if you'd like to tie these points to existing geometry. So once you are done adding your points, you should click the save button. Don't forget to click save and save all of your edits. So if you're finished drawing, then you can close the create features, and if you would like to draw some more geometry, perhaps maybe some polylines or some lines, you will need to create a feature class for that. So in this case, if I wanted to draw some lines, for instance, I don't have a feature class that will store those lines, so I will have to create a new one. So I'll just come in here and create a new feature class. I'll call this my lines. Make sure that it's specified as a line feature class. If you're going to use these line features for root data like network analysis, you should turn on the M values. If you have elevation values, turn on the Z. Move through the wizard here if you would like to add in some additional fields for your feature class. For instance, maybe it might be the type of a line, for instance, and specify the data type. In that case, we can go next and specify a coordinate system that you would like to apply to this feature class, and specify a tolerance. Move through the rest of this wizard and then click finish. This will create a brand new feature class for you starring your lines, and so you're going to want to drag your line feature class into your map, and now you can just do that same format where you select the feature class, in this case lines, go to edits, click the create button, and then specify that you want to draw lines. And then you've got some other different options here for drawing lines. I'm just going to pick the plain line command, draw some lines, and again, remember you've got your snapping options there. When you're finished the line, right click and go finish, and that will draw your line. And as always, don't forget to click save and save your edits. Now that's how you can draw lines, polygons, and points in your map. If you would like to draw some graphics in just plain rectangles or circles that are not stored within a feature class, that has to be done in a layout. You can only do that in a layout. So if you click your layout section, you can click the insert tab. So over here in my graphics section, I can draw rectangles, circles, points, lines, etc. here. If I would like to draw something like a circle, I can just go ahead and select that circle. Notice that I don't have to assign this to any feature class. So I can go ahead and specify my circle, move it around. If you'd like to change how that circle looks, you can right click on the circle, go into the properties, and go ahead and change up how that circle is going to look with the different types of symbols or different properties, what have you. So that's how you can draw some features in ArcGIS Pro, draw some graphics in the layouts if you like, and that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye now.